Good morning. Happy New Day. Grand Rising. This is your girl Amina Sai with Morning Sound, Affirmations and Sounds for your weekly enjoyment and healing. And this is for the week of October the 3rd. And today, this week's focus is going to be on the solar plexus. Yes, we're talking about a personal power. So let's affirm into that this week. Remember, you can recite these as the sound is going on. Remember to repeat them throughout the week whenever you feel like you need a boost or remembrance. Come back and visit the video, okay? So here are your affirmations. I choose to be myself and to express my truth. I have a positive influence on the people and the situations around me. I allow my integrity and confidence to shine, which instills more confidence and belief in myself and then encourages others to have natural confidence in me. That was a lot, so I'm going to repeat that again. I allow my integrity and confidence to shine, which instills more confidence and belief in myself and then encourages others to have natural confidence in me. I do not allow my personal power to become egotistical, manipulative, and exploitive. Let's get to the sound. Always remember to sit with your spine straight or lay with your spine straight, whatever is comfortable for you. And I want you to take some deep breaths in through your nose, filling your belly with air, and then exhaling out your mouth. See them hands come together. Inhale, expanding your belly space. And then exhale, bring them hands back together. Inhale. And exhale. Continue breathing like that as we go through sound. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale as loud as you can. Yes. That was your morning sound. Enjoy your day on purpose.